In today's session of Hair Transplant Adventures and Revisions, I present a 40-year-old patient who underwent a punch procedure some 8 years back and later 2 years after a strip procedure which led to poor growth and extremely gross scarring over the scalp donor. Especially the left limit of the strip scar had become red and inflamed, and it caused significant discomfort to the patient since the last 6 years. It looks red and angry and itches very often, more so in the summers. 2,463 scalp grafts were harvested using FUE technique in 2012, and this is the result of revisional surgery 6 years later. These 2,463 FUE grafts made more difference to the patient's appearance than 3,800 FUT and 210 punch technique grafts several years before. So this case underlines the importance of technique and the skill of the clinic. It is not the technique, FUT or FUE, that makes a better result, that gives more grafts. It is the skill of the surgeon and the safety standards of the clinic